Good evening from North Carolina. We're in the middle of some really good storms right now. So hopefully my connection will stay. We've got some anomalous behavior going on in the sky. And from time to time you'll see kind of a hologrammy look to it. And I'm going to assume that the simulator's not far off. And I want to do a shout out to Christina, Holographic Multiverse, for swinging by the channel. So if any of you have not been by her channel, Holographic Multiverse, you'll be in for a treat. She's a pretty cool chick, you'll love her. So we're going to watch this for a couple minutes, because from time to time it's going to smear like a hologram. I just learned something like a hologram can be broken in pieces, and each piece is its own hologram, and it's separate even if it's broken. It's like got its own entity, its own energy. It's kind of weird. And I got that from a channel called Bodhi Mantra, BODHIMANTRA. Yeah. You learn a lot over there. Many things. There's so much about ourselves we need to know. Some people don't even have a clue of who they really are and how special you are. Look at that. I could watch this for hours. If you want to see something that's even a little more exciting than this, scroll down, not to the last hologram title, but the one before it, like a day ago. And we're on the strip, and you're gonna see the biggest hologram you've ever seen in your life. And if anyone can bring anything bigger than that, please do, because that would be extra exciting. It's called, I think, Hologram Wins the Hand. Okay, the storm, it's raining really hard. I won't be able to stay for long. As soon as the connection starts leaving, I have to go. Trying to get you as much of this as I can, because it'll smear, really smear in hologram. And I want you to see it. It's pretty cool. We used to call those little lion sundogs. There's no such thing. I don't really know what to call them, other than holographic anomaly. And it is something that is real. Yeah, it's getting jiggy now. starting to get a little more hologram look to it. Just a little more to the left in the sky, away from the anomaly. I'm looking at the waves. I guess that's what you call it, the layered waves. Maybe we'll go up to the ISS next and see what they're doing to cause this. Usually when I see something like this, I go straight up to see what they're up to. You can catch some beautiful things up there. More holograms in the sky. I don't know if I want to call it space. I see space differently than most people. I'll refer to it as space, but yeah, it's all one thing to me. Whether it's here or up there. We're not seeing things in the actual reality that they are. Sometimes people look at things and see them, doesn't even register that they're seeing something that has a different explanation. There are so many other explanations to aspects of our life and what we see that we don't even realize it. There's a lot to learn. Alright, I'm going to cut this short now. You know me, I always say that. I never do it. Because it always gets a little more exciting. Oh, we're at 7.5 minutes. I guess I'll say goodbye. Time flies when you're having fun. And I'm definitely having fun. I hope you are too. Have a great evening. Love, light, and peace be with you. Spread happiness and cheer. Be filled with joy. Try to harbor no negative. The world needs positive. Feed each other love and light. Have something great to offer another. Bye. See you on the next stop. Wherever that may be.